The European Ranger Raptor is powered by a 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 that makes 284 horsepower, 212 kW divided by 288 PS, and 491 Nm, 362 pounds-ft of torque. Customers there may feel a little sore, though, when they read that the Australian version of the engine is tuned to make 392 horsepower, 292 kW divided by 397 PS, and 583 Nm, 430 ft-lb of torque. Still, the European version makes 30% more power than the outgoing, diesel-powered Ranger Raptor, so it is an improvement. Power is only the start of the story, too, because the 2023 Ranger Raptor benefits from Fox Live valve dampers, 7 selectable drive modes, 10 gears, all-wheel drive, and a class-exclusive exhaust system that offers 4 varying levels of loudness to allow you to be a good neighbor where appropriate, and a hooligan off-road. Inside, it's a rather civilized affair. Although the seats are inspired by a jet fighter, the leather steering wheel is heated, there's red stitching all over the cabin, and the shift paddles are made of magnesium. There's also a 12.4 inches digital instrument cluster, a 12 inches infotainment touchscreen, and a 10-speaker B&O sound system. Being able to build their dream next-gen Ranger Raptor is now a reality for our customer, and they can experiment with the range of options with our online configurator, said Hans Schepp, the general manager of Ford Pro Europe. Whatever the combination, Ranger Raptor will always deliver its trademark ultimate off-road driving experience. Ford of Europe announced that customers hoping to own the next-generation Ranger Raptor can now enter their order for the performance pickup. Starting at €77,338.10, nearly $82,000 at current exchange rates in Germany, the truck is one of the brand's most expensive vehicles in Europe. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.